Have you ever noticed water leaking from the front of your washing machine? Or maybe you found mold, a bad smell, or water collecting around the door. One part that could be responsible is the washing machine door boot seal. What is a washing machine door boot seal? The washing machine door boot seal, also called a door gasket, is the large rubber seal located around the opening of a front-load washing machine. You'll see it when you open the washer door. The seal connects the outer tub of the washer to the front cabinet and creates a watertight barrier around the door opening. Because the seal is made from flexible rubber, it can move slightly while the washing machine is operating. What does the door boot seal do? The main job of the door boot seal is to keep water inside the washing machine. During a wash cycle, water enters the tub and the drum spins at different speeds. The rubber boot seal prevents that water from escaping through the gap between the rotating drum and the front of the washer. It also allows the washer door to close tightly against the machine. So in simple terms, the door boot seal keeps the water inside the washer while allowing the drum to operate normally. What is its main function? The main function of the door boot seal is to provide a watertight seal between the washing machine door and the tub. Without this seal, water could escape from the front of the washer during the wash and spin cycles. The boot seal also helps prevent clothing and other objects from getting caught between the drum and the washer cabinet. Many door boot seals also have small drainage holes or channels at the bottom. These openings allow water that collects inside the folds of the seal to drain back into the washer. How can you tell if the door boot seal has stopped working? There are several signs that your washing machine door boot seal may be damaged or worn out. Water leaking from the front. One of the most common symptoms is water leaking from around the washer door. If you notice water on the floor near the front of the machine during a wash cycle, inspect the boot seal carefully. A tear, hole, or damaged section can allow water to escape. Cracks or tears. Open the washer door and inspect the rubber seal. Look inside the folds and carefully check for cracks, tears, holes, cuts, loose sections, damaged rubber. Even a small tear can eventually cause a major water leak. Another common problem is mold or mildew growing inside the boot seal. Because water and moisture can remain trapped inside the folds of the rubber, the area can develop mold if it isn't cleaned and dried regularly. You may also notice a musty or unpleasant smell coming from the washer. After a wash cycle, look inside the bottom of the rubber gasket. A small amount of moisture can be normal, but if water is consistently pooling inside the seal, check the seal's drainage holes and channels for debris or blockage. The boot seal should fit securely around the washer opening. If the rubber has become loose, stretched, warped, or pulled out of position, it may not seal properly. This can lead to leaks during operation. If clothing repeatedly gets trapped between the door boot seal and the drum, the seal may be damaged, incorrectly positioned, or worn. Small items can also become trapped in the folds of the gasket. How to inspect the door boot seal. Before inspecting the washer, turn the washing machine off and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Open the door and slowly inspect the entire rubber gasket. Pull the folds of the seal back and look for damage. Pay special attention to the bottom portion because this area commonly collects water, dirt, detergent residue, and debris. Also check that the seal is properly seated and that the drainage openings are not blocked. Can a damaged door boot seal be replaced? Yes. In many washing machines, the door boot seal can be replaced without replacing the entire door or tub assembly. However, replacing the boot seal can require removing retaining clamps and, depending on the washer design, removing portions of the front panel. If you're doing the repair yourself, always use the correct replacement seal for your specific washer model. The washing machine door boot seal is the flexible rubber gasket around the door opening of a front-load washer. Its main job is to keep water inside the washing machine and prevent leaks around the door. If the seal becomes torn, cracked, loose, deformed, clogged, or heavily contaminated with mold, it may need to be cleaned, repositioned, or replaced. And if you see water leaking from the front of your washer, the door boot seal is definitely one of the parts you should inspect. If this video helped you understand how a washing machine door boot seal works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips and explanations.